Hello everyone, it's McBond here with Bond Group America Construction. Today we're going to be talking about how to plan a high-end kitchen remodel project. If you're considering a kitchen remodel project, there are several things to keep in mind to ensure a perfect, I lied, construction is never perfect, but there are several things to ensure a final outcome that is both beautiful and functional to you. The first step in planning your high-end kitchen remodel is to decide on the high-end kitchen budget, right? A lot of times, some of our clients normally their high-end kitchen remodels typically range between $50 to $100,000. That depends on the materials, the finishes, the design that you chose. So it's important to really determine how much you're willing to spend, right? Once you have a budget in place, you should consider design preferences. Think about what type of style you want your kitchen to be. A lot of people have different homes that accommodate for different styles. For example, if you have a modern home, you don't want to put a traditional type of kitchen in there. So, you want to be parallel or reference to the type of home that you have. Ask yourself, what type of home do you have? If you have a modern home, get a modern kitchen. If you have a traditional home, get a traditional kitchen. If you have a farmhouse, get a farmhouse type of kitchen. I hope that makes sense. And then consider the type of cabinetry, countertops, and flooring, that you prefer. And all this sort of ties into also what I discussed about, sort of choosing that type of style that you want to go for, because every single home would have a separate finishes for everything. Once you have decided on your design preferences, it's time to really work with a professional kitchen remodeling company like ours that creates, a detailed plan for your kitchen renovation. What happens with us is that when you work with us, we understand exactly what you want during our consultation call. And then when we're in your space, we then sort of hound down on exactly how you use your kitchen. Where do you put your pots at? Where do you put your pans at? Where do you put your forks and your spoons and things like that? And then we would help you create a design and help you choose the right materials, appliances, and fixtures to really fit your style and your budget as well. Um, just remember, a high-end kitchen is a significant investment in your home, and it's essential to work with a trusted remodeling company. If you're ready to get started on your high-end kitchen renovation, contact us today and schedule your consultation. Thank you so much, and